Good afternoon. This is the Duke of Fremont Street in Las Vegas, Nevada, here in the United States of America. Today is Saturday, May 21st, 2022. Before beginning my short video, I would like to drink a toast to you and thank you for stopping by. Salute. Absolutely refreshing. Well, as you know, the markets are all closed at the moment. And for some, that's probably a blessing. For me, it's just a respite until we open again tomorrow in Asia. So I'm a 24/7 man. I live here in Vegas and I thrive on the action. That's one of the primary reasons I live in this town, because it is a 24/7 town. Gold is currently trading at 1846.70 bid by 1847.70 ask. It closed yesterday up $5.28 or 0.28%. For the last 3 trading days, gold has really been coming on pretty strong and is up $29.70 per ounce. Silver lost a little ground yesterday to close at 21.77 bid by 21.88 ask, with a loss of 13 cents on the day, or 0.59%. However, silver did gain 39 cents in the last 3 trading days, and I consider this also a very bullish sign, especially considering the disastrous Dow Jones index. Crude oil managed to maintain its position at above $110 a barrel. And the Dow Jones index remained relatively unchanged yesterday after, as I mentioned, a very disastrous week. Well, as I mentioned, I can't wait for the markets to open tomorrow in Asia and Monday here in the United States. I'm going to go out on a limb and predict that the Dow Jones index will continue its downward spiral, and I believe cryptos will follow suit. On the other hand, I believe that the precious metals will continue to either hold their ground or gain substantially. We'll see. I personally, and this is my own opinion, I'm talking about my own personal situation, I personally am betting my future on the precious metals. I believe the downside risk, especially with silver, is minimal, and the upside potential is astronomical. So only time will tell. However, that's where I stand on the precious metals market. As I said before, I'm looking for action. That's why I'm in Vegas. I decided to do this video this morning. Before I headed out the door, I'll be duking around, which is I'm known to do. And I'll also be doing a few deals today. So my attitude was, well, should I try to sneak a video in or not? And what I think I'm going to do is concentrate on doing more videos, not necessarily longer videos, and maybe not have such a lavish setup. Because the goal is to keep in touch with you all and give you my read on what I believe is going on in the world today, especially the precious metals market. With that being said, sooner or later, everyone comes to Vegas. And I've traveled the world. I've traveled 6 continents and absolutely loved it. and gained a lot of knowledge and experience and life experiences in my travels through treasure hunting and just adventure in general. However, I've settled here in Las Vegas. This is my home. And the beautiful thing about Las Vegas, sooner or later, as I mentioned, everybody comes here. So the world comes to me now. I went to the world, now the world's coming to me. If you decide to visit my beloved Las Vegas, please consider giving me a call in advance, and we'll set up an appointment to take a look at what you have to sell, or to perhaps fill your request on what you wish to purchase. As a purveyor of the metals, I deal primarily in silver. However, I'm also into gold and a bit of platinum. So if that event happens, you decide to come for a long weekend or an anniversary or for whatever reason, please feel free to give me a call and we'll get together when you're here. My personal cell number is area code 702-561-9431. I'm available almost all the time, and I'd be excited to meet you in person, and perhaps we can do a little transaction, some buying, selling, or trading. In the meantime, try to stay positive and don't be a procrastinator. I believe the low metal prices are an opportunity to buy, and I'm not certain how long this opportunity will exist. I've had many people say the premiums are so high, I don't want to buy now. Well, the premiums aren't going to matter if silver and gold explode and go to the stratosphere, which I believe they will. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to try to do more videos more frequently, so they won't be quite as long and they may not be as prepared as usual, but you're catching me on the go. I have a fairly full day ahead of me, and this is the first thing that I've done on my agenda. I'd like to thank you once again for stopping by, and I appreciate your support and encouraging words in all your comments. To your wealth, to your health, and to your happiness. Salute. Well, that wraps it up for today, but please feel free to reach out at any time. This is the Duke of Fremont Street signing off. So long.